Hi guys, if you've been following my channel for a while, you'll remember that I've been gardening for some time and put out a little recap video each year. And although I've been making some progress year to year, there are still some things I've struggled with, one of which is vegetable storage. I usually get a decent haul of potatoes and carrots, but after a few weeks they're usually headed for the compost pile. One of the reasons for this is that my basement is unheated on the storage side and the temperature and humidity fluctuates too much to properly store vegetables. But I think I've found something that works. Okay, so here I am down in the basement, and I've got this old fridge. I literally got this for free because it was broken. I brought it home, I cleaned it up. There's a lot of dust in the coils. Cleaning that helped. And what I did is I opened it up. I set the temperature to the absolute highest temperature I could, and that results in about 8 degrees Celsius, 7 or 8 degrees. So the temperature is pretty good. It's not too cold, but you can see the humidity is quite low. So we're only about 45% humidity. So that's going to dry the vegetables out. So as you can see, I have the potatoes stored in these paper bags with a plastic bag on top of them. And what I used was these great big yard waste bags, like for leaves and stuff. They have 2 layers. And as you can see from the text on the front here, they're moisture resistant, which comes in handy when we're trying to store. So the reasoning here is that the paper bag is going to help the potatoes still breathe a little bit, so they'll lose a little bit of moisture and not sweat. But then I have that plastic bag on top, and it's left open so that it helps keep some of that moisture in, but still allows it to not get too wet and too moldy. And so far we're 6 months in. This is it's now April. I put these in here in October, and we still have perfect potatoes. So as you can see, each one of the bags is filled with potatoes. This one is mixed small potatoes, and these I'm actually going to use again this year for planting this year's crops. And here we have what's left of our Yukon Gold. So I expect these to last for the rest of the season until we're actually out of potatoes. Hopefully they'll coincide with this year's harvest. My goal is to be year-round with a constant supply of potatoes. I'm hoping this will work for carrots as well, and not having to buy any. Now, if anything changes in the next few months, I'll let you guys know in the comments below. So that's going to be it for this little storage tip. If you found this video helpful, I'd appreciate it if you gave it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do, and I'll see you in the next one.